I see. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. That's okay. So I'm happy that I can teach you for tonight. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. So let me share your book. So I have a question for you because we didn't have our classes last week. So what what did you do this weekend? I think you've been busy. Do you have like something
I
to share?
I went to Seoul.
Ooh, what did you do there?
Um. Mm, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Maybe you visited a place, you ate something, like you talked to someone or a friend. Nothing interesting? Okay. So last time, we talked about this, okay? So we will have a new lesson and it's all about how matters change. So we will have this words again because it's been a while. We need to have a very quick review about it. What's that? What's that card? That's so cool. Can you show it to me? Oh, it has a tiger. What's that? Oh, I can't understand the one written below. Is that
That's nothing.
oh, that's nothing. Okay. So let's have this one. Let's read these words again, please. Don't worry, we don't need to do the same activities again. Just review this word.
Here,
Okay, steer.
dissolve,
Okay, dissolve.
visual change,
Physical change.
evaporate,
Evaporate.
rust,
Rust.
chemical change.
Chemical change. That's cool. So here, Tori, we have how many? Like six new words. And I want you to share samples about each, okay? So we have steer. Steer means to mix liquids and solids together. So when do you steer? Or what can you steer together? For example,
Although salt and water.
salt and water. Or for example, when you drink hot choco, you put a powdered choco in the hot water and you stir it and mix it. So that's how you stir it.
Lemon and sugar and water.
Oh, when you make a lemonade, right? That's
Yeah.
cool. That's a nice example. Now let's have the word dissolve. Actually, dissolve happens when you stir, okay? So when you
Mm.
stir lemon and sugar, the sugar dissolves. I'm very sorry for that. When you stir sugar and lemon, the sugar dissolves. Okay? And also when you stir the hot chocolate with the powder and the hot water, the powder dissolves too. Dissolve means the solid disappears. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so when you dissolve something, it looks just like a liquid. You will not notice that there is something solid there before. It will look like one liquid thing. So let's have this one. The next one is physical change. So matters can change on how it looks. It can be with the size, with the shape, or with the color. Okay? And with the number. So physical change, what is physical change? Evan?
Mm. I can hear you, but it is not very well.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
You said,
Oh,
I,
I'm very sorry. So can you hear me better now?
yes,
Okay. So I want you to read
I
what
can hear
is
you.
physical change.
All changing no matter where no new matter is made.
Okay. So for example, I have like a fabric here, and it looks like a square. But if I will cut it, I can make it a circle, or I can make it two squares or two triangles. So that's an example of physical change. So can you give me another example of physical change?
Mm, so, this one.
Okay, so what can you do to that one? Oh,
Make it like this.
oh, you can fold it. Yes, that's an example of physical change. When you fold something, you change its shape and the height and the size will also change. So that's a great example, Evan. Now let's talk about evaporate. So evaporate happens when a liquid turns to gas. So what can you see in this picture, Evan? What can you see
Yeah.
in this picture?
Although water and the gas that is liquid.
So you can see a pot with a boiling hot water. And when you boil a water or boil water, when it's super hot, it reaches the point that the water turns to gas, like this one. Okay, so that happens in the water cycle too. That's why we have a lot of water because when it's very hot, the water in the ocean evaporates too and it goes back to the clouds and it becomes rain again and again and again. Same process. So let's have this one. What's the next one, Evan?
Roast.
Rust. Okay, so where can rust happen? Can it happen to food or to wood?
Mm,
I think
wood.
y- rust, you can see rust in the wood. I think we can just see rust for a metal in a metal. Okay, so is a process where you can see like a brown thing in the surface of a metal, especially when the metal is old or it's exposed to water or other chemicals. It produces rust. So most of the time it's red or brown. So have you seen metal before with the rust?
I think so.
Where? Can you share your experience? Where did you see it?
Um, I think in the
Oh, let me share my experience first. So when I was a kid, we usually see these rusted metals near the car shop. You know, a car shop where they fix cars. I can see a lot of things like this. How about here? What's the last word, Evan?
uh chemical change.
Chemical change. So what is chemical change? Can you read it?
Change in matter or new matter is made.
So it's very different from physical change because if you fold this and make it into another shape, it will be still a fabric. It's still a soft fabric. Okay? But sometimes when you do something to things, you produce a new matter, especially when you use fire or other chemicals. Like here, you have a wood here, and if you use the match, it will be like ash because it was burnt. Okay, it was burnt, and it's a different thing now. Also, the rust. This is a product of chemical change too, because this is not a metal anymore. The brown thing there is a rust. That's a new matter. So let's have this one. So we have different ways, Evan, to change matter. Okay, so let's talk about physical change. How can you do physical change? Oh, that's Spider-Man. I like
Oh,
Spider-Man.
oh, thank you.
Can I
When
see
I
that
was a
Spider-Man
kid,
again?
I love Spider-Man, and
Let me see that
and
Spider-Man.
I
I like
always
that.
like this.
Can I see it again, please? Oh, I like it. What's inside your Spider-Man pocket? Is that a wallet or a coin purse or a pencil case? I don't know. Ooh, it's a lot of money. Wow.
Ooh.
Why not put it in the bank? Do you want to put your money in the bank?
The reason is but it is a little bit of problem.
Oh, it's a little bit of problem. Will
Tomorrow is mother's birthday,
Oh, and you'll buy her a gift.
but there is no time.
Oh no. But do you like to buy a gift for her?
Mm, she said she want to have a hair dryer.
Oh, a hair dryer for her hair. Yeah, that's very important for girls with a very pretty hair. They need a dryer. So, thank you very much
But
for sharing.
that is 70 million one.
That's so expensive. And how much do you have there? Do you think that's enough?
Wait, I have to count it
Do you think
for.
that's enough?
Hmm? Wait,
Do you have a problem?
I have $59 million.
Oh, 59. So you still need to like earn a little bit. That's
10
okay.
million one.
Oh, that's okay.
But my dad will give it to me.
Oh, maybe you can share some and
Or
then
I give her in Thursday.
oh, Thursday. Okay, okay. So let's have this one. So what are your plans tomorrow for your mom's birthday?
There is no time.
Oh, it's a busy day?
When the school ends, I have to do my homework and I have to go to soccer class, and it ends in more than 8.
Oh no. But I hope you find time to like have a dinner with your mom or like eat outside, celebrate her special day. But that's fine. I know that you love her so much. Now let's have this one. Let's talk about physical change. How can you do physical change? We have three ways: cutting,
Cutting
holding,
of holding here.
and tearing. Okay. I know you can do all of these three. How about chemical change? How can we do chemical change?
Chemical change, burning, heating, rusting.
Yes, that's correct. So actually, chemical change is harder compared to physical change. They are very different, two different processes. So let's have here. So we have a lot of ways to change the state of matter too, like from liquid to gas, gas to liquid, and so on. Let's have this one. What's the first one here?
Freezing.
Freezing.
To change from liquid to a solid.
To change from a liquid to a solid.
Solid.
Okay, so what can you freeze? Can you give me an example of things that you
A
can
water.
water? What else?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, that's correct. Ice
Juice.
cream. I like ice cream.
Juice.
Juice. And also I like frozen yogurt is nice too. Do you eat frozen yogurt? They are the best. Oh, where are you? There you go. So, Evan, I want you to look here. We have the next word. What is this?
Melting.
Melting is the opposite of freezing. It is when you change a solid to liquid. For example, the ice you froze, you can turn it into water again
And
when it hot outside.
evaporating and condensing is upside too.
Is it opposite? It's opposite.
I said opposite.
Okay. Evaporating and condensing, they are opposite too. So when we say evaporate, what is evaporate then?
It is changing liquid to gas.
And what is condensing?
And it is changing gas to liquid.
Yes, you got it. That's correct. So let's have this one. Mm-hmm. We're done with that. Now I want you to help me with this. We don't need to write it anymore. Let's just answer it verbally. So number one, what is number one?
Evaporate.
Evaporate. Number two is
Er.
here. Number three,
Um,
chemical
chemical
change.
chemical change
Number four,
on the dancing.
oh, number four is dissolve.
So
Can you say it? Dissolve. How about number five? What is
number 5, rust.
number five is rust. Very good. Number six,
Number 6 is physical change.
physical change. Good job. Now I want you to try this one too. You need to write P for physical change and C for chemical change. Number one, is this physical change or chemical change?
That is physical change.
Oh, it's rust.
Hmm?
That's chemical change.
Physical change is floating.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is
Uh,
chemical change, okay? How about number two? That's okay. That's okay, Evan. How about number two?
uh, that is chemical change.
Number two is chemical change. You're cutting the lemon. You're just changing its shape.
Physical change.
It's physical change. How about number three? You're burning a stick.
Chemical
That's
change.
chemical change. I know it's confusing. I'm confused too most of the time when I was a kid. But now it's nice that it's more clear. Now let's have this one. I need your help. Evan, can you help me, please?
Okay,
Thank you. So let's go on
let's
to this
go.
one. Let's
To
go.
mix a solid into a liquid with the result that the solid disappears. Mm,
I think this is confusing. It's between stir and dissolve. What do you think?
uh, Stir and dissolve.
Yeah, what do you think is the best one? Is it stir
Stir.
or
Stir.
dissolve? I think it's
Stir.
dissolve.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's dissolve because you,
Mixing.
yeah, that's correct. They are both done with mixing, um, but here we can see that it has other information that says the result that the solid disappears. So when the solid disappears, that's when something is dissolved. Okay?
Okay.
Because when you stir, you just make solid and liquid. But when something is dissolved, the solid disappears. So let's have number two.
To mix liquids or solids together. It is here.
Here, very good. How about number two?
Oh, it is rainbow.
Yeah, I like to try it. Why?
for
For
for a
metal,
metal. Oh, it is but 8 letter. For a metal to change into near red or round matter. Metal to change into a new. Rust.
Very good. What?
Oh, yellow.
Oh, you want it to be yellow?
That is not a rainbow.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought I clicked the yellow one. Let me change the color, okay?
Oh,
Okay.
yellow.
Okay. How about the next one?
Yellow. To change. For a liquid to go from being a liquid to a gas, evaporate.
Liquid to gas evaporate. So what's our next color? It's green, right?
Yeah, green.
How about
Yeah,
the next one?
and
A change?
a change in matter where no new matter is made.
A change in matter where no new
Physical,
matter. It's
chemical.
physical. Very good. It's physical. Oh no, I forgot to change the color again. Blue. It's physical because there is no new matter. How about number 6?
A change in matter where new matter is made.
What's that? Chemical?
Chemical change.
Oh no. What's happening?
What's this?
Chemical change.
What could
Okay.
we do? Oh my god.
Why? It's a rainbow. Let's have here. Let's have this one. So you need to choose, is it true or false? So number 1, let's try it. Cutting paper.
Putting paper is a chemical change. False.
False. Because when you cut the paper, you will still have a paper. There is no new matter there. It's a smaller
Physical
paper.
change is when new matter is made to false.
False. Because you don't make new matter
As
when you do that.
ice melt, it will change to water. True.
Very good. And that is an example of physical change. Okay?
The
That's what
time
we
is
call.
very fast.
Yes, I know. Let's have this one. So let's read this one and then answer some questions below. Okay? Changing matter. You can do this.
Changing matter. Matter can change. If you cut paper into pieces, it looks different, but each piece of paper is still paper. This is a visual change.
Physical
Uh,
change.
The physical change means the matter has changed from what it looked like, but it is still the same matter. If you stir salt into water, the salt will dissolve. You cannot see it anymore. Salt dissolving in water is a spatial change. When all the water evaporates, the salt will be all that is left. You can separate salt from water this way. If you burn paper, smoke and ash are made. Smoke and ash are not paper. This is a chemical change rust.
Chemical.
No. A chemical change, it means a new matter is made. The matter iron can rust. Rusting is a chemical change. Parts of iron change into new matter which is not iron.
Okay, so we learned like a longer version, okay? A longer version of what we talked about this words a while ago, but it's just the same. It has other examples too. So in the picture, what can you see in the picture, Evan?
Hmm?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
What can you see in the picture?
The burning paper.
Yeah. And when you burn a paper, what happens to the paper? Is it a physical change or a chemical change?
It's too hard to eat.
Oh, that hurts really bad. What happened?
Uh, when I and my dad are watching soccer with also alone with his phone.
Mm-hmm.
My dad was holding that, and my dad uh was holding it, and it
Mm-hmm.
fall down to my face.
Oh no, and it gave you that bruise under your mouth.
You know, it too hurt.
Oh yeah, I know it hurts. So let's go back to my question, Evan. When you burn a paper, what happens to the paper?
It
It becomes
changed to
it becomes what?
piece of paper,
Oh, when you burn a paper, it's still a paper. I think
but it is not paper.
it's not paper anymore. It's what we call ash. Okay? So it becomes ash, like a powder, like a dust. Okay, and that's a result of what? Is it a physical change or a chemical change?
What is the burning?
Yeah, the burning,
That is chemical change.
chemical change. So let's try your reading skills. Okay, let's complete this one. Let's talk about physical change. Can you help me, please?
Okay, let's do it. Matter has changed and looks different, but it is still the same matter. It's called physical change.
Oh, okay.
So, salt can melt in water.
Mm-hmm.
Water can um, evaporate.
Okay. Are you sure? Water
Mm,
can? What do you think? Water has changed and looks different, but it is still the same matter. This is called a physical change. Okay? Salt
yeah,
can dissolve in water. Water can? What can happen to the water?
evaporate.
Very good. I just want you to repeat your answer. How about here? Let's talk about the chemical change. Oh, is that a golf ball?
Yeah, it was
That's
in
very
here.
heavy. A golf ball is a
No, it is
very
not
heavy,
very
tiny
heavy.
ball.
I think so.
It's not that heavy? Here in our country, golf balls are really heavy. Like, they are small, but they are heavy.
Yeah.
Mhm. Now let's have this one. Hello?
Yeah,
What are you reading? Can you share it to teacher Anna?
my
Oh, what is that book all about?
this is my how can I say? I don't know that in English. 일기장. That
Oh,
is
like what happens to you
what
every
is
day?
writing when I want to
Oh,
write in this paper when I want to sink it.
Oh, so if you have ideas, you can write it down there.
Yeah.
That's cool. Now we need to go back to our book because we don't have much time. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's complete this one. Let's talk about chemical change, Evan.
Oh, what is this here? New matter is made. This is called chemical change. The metal iron can rust and new matter is made.
Okay, this is called chemical change.
Oh my god,
Very good. That's correct. What
there's
what
no
happened?
time.
Oh, we still have like 8 minutes.
Oh yeah, so that is very short.
Yeah, it's so fast because you know why is it fast? Because you're doing such a great work. So let's have this one. Let's answer this and complete the sentences. Number one, Evan.
Yeah, let's do this.
Go.
Salt can be separated from water by evaporating it.
Okay, how about number two? A blank is
Uh, uh, oh, chemical. No, no, no. Oh yeah, chemical change is when new matter has been made.
okay. Number three.
Number three.
Uh-huh. I know you can
Okay.
say.
Matter remains the same for physical change, but um, um, it
Oh, are you done with number three? What's your answer with number three?
which of these is a physical change? Um, paper burn and becomes ash.
That's physical change?
Uh, 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 no, 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 no. Salt dissolve in water.
How about number four?
Number four. It is
Matter?
matter
Mhm.
remains the same for physical change, but mm,
Matter remains the same for a physical
it
change, but
becomes different from becomes different for chemical change.
okay, so that's very nice. That's correct. So let's have this one. These are interesting questions, and I know Evan can answer this one very quick. Number one, why is it a chemical change when iron rust?
Mm, why?
Yeah, why is it chemical change? Because you make a new
Matter.
matter. Okay, so how do you say that in a sentence?
Mm,
Iron rust is a chemical change because
the a gem, uh, when iron rust, it is uh it is chemical change when iron rust because the that
we
is
make
making a new matter.
very good. Same with number two. That's how you will answer number two. Why is
Why is
dissolving salt in
dissolving
water a
salt in
physical
water
change?
physical change?
Why?
Mm,
Why is it a physical change?
it is a dissolving. Wait, it is a dissolving change. Dissolving salted water is a
Physical
physical
change
change
because
because um a
we don't make a new
new matter.
There's no new matter. It's the same. The water and the salt, you can also separate them. So let's have this one. Okay, so we're done with this part of our lesson, and we still have 3 minutes left. Maybe we can choose, or we can do these sentences. Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Let's just do number 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Your
If
smile, your
you
smile is so silly when you say let's do it.
all friends left when I do this face.
How? That's a
And
very silly face.
banana, banana.
Oh, you're so funny. Now let's have number 1.
If you dissolve
Very good.
sugar into water, you can no
No
longer
longer
see
see
the
the sugar.
sugar.
How about number 2?
Sugar. The metal has rust and there are many red pieces on it.
Okay, nice one.
And mixing water and ice is a physical change because no new matter is made.
Very nice. You got it all correct. That's very fast. So we still have 2 minutes left. So what do you want to do? Do you want to play a game?
The
Oh,
um
maybe we can play a guessing game. Okay?
okay, guessing
So
game.
I will say 3 sentences about this thing and you try to guess what is it, okay?
Okay.
It is red and sometimes green. It is a fruit and it's very healthy. What is it?
Tomato?
Oh, it can be a tomato, but the correct answer is apple.
Apple.
How about
Wow.
you?
Yeah.
Say 3 sentences about something and I'll try to guess it. It is.
And it is made with a paper.
Okay.
And that is good for studying.
Oh, okay. One last
And
sentence.
it is thin. Or it can be thick too.
Is it a book?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Wow. So next time you know how to play this game, you can also play this game with your friends. Okay?
Okay.
That's it
Bye
for tonight.
bye.
We are already done. Thank you very much, Evan. I hope to see you again on Thursday.
Minion banana.
Bye bye. See
Bye bye.
you.